For this class, one of our projects or assignments was to complete a job shadow or a interview with an individual that worked in the job field that we were looking at potentially pursuing upon graduation. I have been interested in a couple different fields within the communications network, and so for this particular program, I had chose the interest of public relations, and for this project that would be my main focus into the job shadow when I was looking at selection regarding an employee or an individual to interview regarding the public relations field. Public relations can be described by the Society of America for Public Relations as a strategic communications process that builds a mutual beneficial relationship between organizations and their publics. And what I found in some research when I've been delving into public relations is during a time when a company's reputation is so important because of the increased popularity of social media usage, it's essential for a business to utilize a public relations professional, because a public relations professional will help a company's relationship by using their social media effectively to benefit the company's brand or image. And I think that in a time when social media is at an all-time high, it is imperative for a business to understand the importance and utilize their social media channels effectively and professionally. And I think that there's going to be more emphasis on the professional use of social media platforms in the future for businesses. And so therefore, I think public relations is a career field that's going to continue to grow. A personal interest of mine, I am a people person, and I think public relations has a great involvement with people of the community, the media, people within your company, and I think it's a perfect field for the strengths of myself within the communications field. And I thought this little advertisement was cute because when we're talking about advertising versus public relations, we often say that advertising is what we pay for, public relations is what we don't pay for. And so we are a company versus they are the company. Let me speak on behalf of them. And I think that that is a great avenue. And when you fully get behind a company that you wholeheartedly support, it's easy to be a great PR official. The individual that I interviewed for this job shadow is Leslie Austin. She is a public relations associate at Central Penn College. And I chose Leslie because our career goals align very similar with some interests as far as the public relations field. Leslie holds some interest with media involvement. She also likes a very deep involvement within staff, faculty, and also students. And she has mainstreamed a communication platform within faculty and administrative positions here at Central Penn College that has allowed for certain silos to be broken down within their departments. And I think that that is essential within the communications. And sometimes I think when people think about public relations, we think about public relations within a what is our business to another business. And I think Leslie helped highlight for me what is public relations within our business and what are you doing within Central Penn to increase communications and more so effectively communication. And I think she does a really good job of explaining that during my interview with her. And so we kind of discover some of the things that she does within the public relations field. So upon taking this assignment, I was really excited to get the benefits of the job shadow within the public relations field. And I think that when you're looking at the benefits with job shadow, there's a couple aspects in there. It allows the candidate to shadow and understand what the daily expectations are for the career that they're looking to pursue. When they shadow, they can get a day-to-day, what would they really be doing working in that field. And I think that that helps an employee or a candidate understand on relevance with their education to apply the techniques that they're learning as they're still going to school, because they're really fresh as you're still learning them. And as you can apply that into a job shadow, you're being able to be molded as an employee, as a fresh employee with new education. And I think that that allows a great candidate for an employer. Job shadowing also allows a potential employee to get a glimpse of the culture more and more we're understanding that the culture of companies is really important when a candidate is looking at going for a job. We want to work somewhere where we feel validated and our work means something and we're appreciated. So the company culture is imperative when someone is going in to look for a job. And so when someone's doing a potential job shadow, they're getting a glimpse of what it's like to work there within the culture. How do people speak to each other? How do the supervisors act with their employees? How is the morale within the company? And it gives a job shadow a really good idea if that would be an ideal fit on the other side that doesn't include work performance, but more so on a company culture. Do I fit here? Do I belong? Do I possess the same values as this company? The last expectation, it touches a little bit on the first, but a little deeper, is it's going to develop a realistic expectation for your career. And I like to highlight this because I think because I work in a professional setting, I think that this is the utmost importance. Job shadowing allows an individual the ability to see what the expectations are for that career, professionally, developmentally, and it helps you acclimate what it is that you're going to be doing when you graduate. I think so many times a lot of students think a certain way when they're getting ready to graduate, that they're going to possess a certain job or a certain title, or they're going to do certain things. But I think when you have a job shadow, you get a realistic expectation that might not be as glorified as maybe a student might think, but it's also a real life rewarding experience because you really do get to see what you're doing day to day. So it helps form those realistic expectations. So the individual I chose to interview was Leslie Austin. She is a graduate of Iowa State University, University of Illinois, and as well as Siam University. And she has worked for numerous companies. She's worked for a book publishing company. She's worked for a Chamber of Commerce. She's worked for Iowa State University, University of Illinois, and Siam University, and then as well as Central Penn College. So when I thought about who I would interview, I think Leslie was a perfect candidate because her and I have very similar backgrounds professionally. I've worked in post-secondary ed for about 7 years, and by no means am I as masterly trained as her, but I do possess the same knowledge base in post-secondary ed and history, so we come from very similar places. Now, she's held positions as far as public relations associate in many of those positions, as well as editor with a book publishing company. And so some of the things that she's enjoyed in a lot of these positions was event planning, and it's something that's really near and dear to her heart. So that's where we differ a little. She loves to plan events. I love to attend and kind of report and give all the, the gossip about the events and kind of cover all that. But we do have very similar interests when it comes to public relations and dealing with the media and dealing with our customers and our clients and our other fellow employees. So I think that she was a great candidate to pick. So what I got from my interview with Leslie is that what I'm looking for is kind of a hodgepodge of a public relations career. Something that she develops a lot of communication internally at Central Penn College, but doesn't have as much involvement with the outward communication with the media or with the community. And so that's something that I really am looking forward into my future career or within Central Penn College. I really want to develop and maintain relationships with people in the local community on behalf of the business, and really work with those individuals that are looking at Central Penn College or any business that I'm working at, and kind of being that beneficial or that advocate for the company to be that interface to give the customers the knowledge that they're looking for on a more personal and identifiable level. I want to develop social media content creation. I want to manage the image, a brand's image on their social media as well. I think that's something that I am interested in and coming up with creative content creation. I'm already developing and implementing communication campaigns within Central Penn College regarding our targeted populations. I've seen great success with that. So I hope to continue to do that and have some autonomy to continue to do that within my development professionally as well. I want to develop and maintain relationships with the local media. That's something new that I am learning at Central Penn College is all of the avenues of media, and I am really interested in continuing to learn more. And that is something that I look to do for a business. And of course, write press releases, newsletters, things like that to keep the public and the internal candidates and customers and clients all aware of what's happening within the company. And that concludes my presentation.